back to another video, and in this video we're gonna be doing fidget spinner, 1,000 mile per hour fidget spinner versus pumpkin. This is almost Halloween, and if you're wondering why Liam isn't with me, because he's at school. So is Owen, so is Wesley. So everyone's at school right now except me. So basically home alone, except my sister's here. And remember to like and subscribe and follow. You can follow me on Instagram. Luke. I'll put it down in the. I'll put it link in the description. Oh God, you can't even hear me because the wind's so loud. So we're gonna quick run out to the barn right now. And almost here. Okay, I'm in the barn. Almost. Okay, so we're gonna be doing videos with this quad, and looks very bad because of the quality in this quad. So we have two quads, and my bike, we don't know what happened to it. Well, I don't, but it's not working that good. I think the chain got broke. So I'm on my scooter right now. My very bad scooter. It broke. We had to get new wheels, and it's still not good. So yeah. Anyways, let's get to the fidget spinner thing. And the video that I just made a video, and I had to remake one because the other one, the lighting was all bad. And here's the results of the smashed fidget cube. The lighting's gonna be bad for you for a minute. Here's the results for that. That was in the last video I created, but I had to recreate it because it said something went wrong. So yeah. And the fidget spinner. I just found this ball bearing, and it's so giant. It wasn't in the fidget spinner, but in the fidget spinner, this is what we're doing. Last video we did 1,000 mile, the one that I didn't post because it was bad or something. It wouldn't upload. It wasn't bad. It was just not uploading. But I did 1,000 mile per hour fidget spinner versus chicken, and it didn't go. I missed the chicken, and yeah. They cornered me, so yeah. Today we're just gonna be doing smash this thing. Okay, that did no damage. So I'm gonna just set it on the cement right outside. I don't want this camera to get shot because it's my only camera right now. So I'm gonna lean this up right there. And I'll go right here. Okay, so just one of these came off, one of the inside things. So, no way. And I'm wearing sandals for once. Fidget spinner gets smashed. Okay, so it's getting, has some, the bearing came out. Oh man, this is bad. Full of sand. Fidget spinner, that is doom. I want to break this off, so I'm going to put this over here again. Okay. Oh yeah, so in the background, if you can see those ducks, we just got them like a couple months ago. Fidget spinner, medicine. Okay, so basically everything came out right now, and there's just one bearing that didn't pop out. So, if you're watching this video, probably gonna. Oh, I thought, oh no, in the neighbors, but I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, so I just did it because I want to create a video. This one's pretty good. This one's very bad. It's all beat up, and it's moving back and forth because this stinking barn door keeps wowing. And that's the fidget spinner results. So, yeah. Let me grab these. Put this back in the barn. Be right back. Okay, so you saw that, and I wanted to do something else. I don't know what it was though, but I want to go ride my quad. I don't have my GoPro though. No, I don't have our computer. It broke. Our GoPro, I have that, but I don't have the computer. Come here. Oh yeah, yesterday we got yelled at for taking Instagram. I was taking some pictures for Instagram, and I got yelled at by some guy. I don't know who it was, but yeah. But I didn't get to post them because my tablet died right when he was yelling at us. I didn't get that in a vlog, but yeah. Right now, I don't know what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to end this video here, and then there'll be one coming up right after this. It'll be, I don't know what we're going to do, but I might have it come up when Liam and Owen get home. Freaking squirrels everywhere. Let me grab that fidget cube. Never mind. Okay, well, there'll be another video coming up, and like and subscribe.